Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, guys. We're going to be doing a walk around of this 1965 Corvette, 4-speed with side pipes. Somebody put a 350 in it, cammed up. Sounds sweet. So far, so good. I pulled it up here to the front, and man, this thing runs smooth. The clutch feels good. This is going to be an excellent driver. Only thing this car really needs is a fresh coat of paint. We don't really work on the cars here. We don't really paint them or have any of that kind of stuff done. We try to buy them ready to go and just tell you everything that it needs. What we're going to be doing today is walking around this car, pointing out any kind of flaws that I could find. It's just mainly paint defects. You can see big chunks missing. Paint's been on here a long time. Instead of us going to get it painted or doing anything like that, I figure we just leave it alone. That way you can paint it whatever color you want. Sometimes that's best. All right, we're gonna get started up here in the front. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We post classic muscle cars every single day, and today I'm gonna be doing the Chevelle, the 55, and this sweet little Corvette here. We'll start up here in the front. The chrome bumpers around the front are in great condition. Like I said, all the paint's popping off this car everywhere. See, it's all over the hood like that. So I'm just gonna be looking for any major dents and damage, which there's not, but we'll still make our way around the car. The tires on this thing are awesome. Disc brakes in front. Also disc brakes in the rear on this one. Top does come off. Good tires all the way around. We'll be going on a test drive here in a minute. Take this thing down the road. Like I said, so far so good. It feels awesome. So I'm excited about the test drive. Figured I'd just go ahead and knock the walk around out of the way. Try to get any flaws or defects on the outside, inside. And I'll give you some undercarriage shots here in a moment. Went ahead and popped the hood so I'm not flipping the camera around. Let's go ahead and check the interior out here. Door panel's in decent shape. Missing the whole vent window crank. Maybe in the floor somewhere. Interior looks good. The seat's not all tore up. Console's in great shape. The dash looks good. Carpet's fairly new. Soft top. They got it running and driving really well. Starting up nice and easy. RPM's coming up on the dash there. Gas gauge sitting at quarter tank. Oil pressure's up to about 55. Water temperature's coming up 160. Look at that. Clock's working. Radio's popping. I ain't hearing nothing though. I did hear some static. Fan. Blower motor's kicking on. No AC on this one. Should have heat. Wipers Give me some wipers. Guys, do you think the horn works? We're gonna be trying it in a minute. There's a pole up in the top right corner you can click and take the pole. I'll give you a second to do that. I'm gonna leave the windshield wipers on because I'm gonna mess with them. We'll go ahead and pop the headlights up, and I'm just gonna hold the button a second, and that should get them up. Showing 7,000 or 74,000 miles on this one. Of course, I just said that the motor is not matching numbers, so it's got a 350 in it. All right, you ready for the horn? What? The windshield wipers just decided to take off when I touched the horn. Horn does not work, windshield wipers do. Just needed a little time to warm up that motor. That's kind of funny. Oh, I didn't pull the lights. They do flip up nice and easy though. Go ahead and flip the lights on too, might as well. They're on now. I'm getting ready to give y'all some undercarriage shots of this car, and then we're going to take off down the road. Pretty excited about the test drive. I do love me some Corvettes. All right, we do have close to 100 detailed pictures of this car on our website, so go to maplemotors.com, get more detailed photos, also financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and I can transport this car anywhere in America. So get on there, check all that out. Let's look underneath it here. Over here to the passenger side. We'll go ahead and lay the hood down because you haven't seen it with the hood down yet. Shut these, you just pick it back up, comes down. Go ahead and let the headlights back down. Flipping over nice, smooth. Pretty sure after looking at everything, it all works other than the horn. It's gonna be a sweet little test drive. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Post videos every single day, and I'll continue to do so. Check out maplemotors.com for financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and I can ship these cars all over America. Getting ready to do a test drive video, so I'm about to take off, go down the road, another 15-minute episode or so, and I'll tag it to the end of this one. That way you can easily access it. Just look at the bottom right corner of the screen towards the end of this video. It should be popping up about right now. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.